Cham. Today in this video, I will tell you the photo editing, how you can do the photo editing with the help of mobile or laptop. You just log in with Fotor option. This is the Fotor app. If you have mobile, then you can download this app. If you have laptop, then you can use it online. This is your choice. First of all, you have to open the image. So just click on this open image option. After that, you can open any image, which one you like. As I have already downloaded few images, I'm going to take that one. So I'm just clicking here and I'm going to take this bridal image. Let it be open. When the image will open, you can see it's quite blur. And if I will click here on this top enhance, it will make it clear. AI enhance, it will make it clear with the help of AI. So if I'm clicking here, photo is apply on it, and now you can see the image will look quite better than before. So with the help of this top enhance, you can change your picture as before. This is the AI upscaler. With the help of this AI upscaler, it will take few seconds for uploading it, and after that it will enhance your picture. You can see this is before and this is after. It is looking quite better. If you like it, just simply click on this apply option, then this image will come here. Next one is the option that is known as magic eraser that we already done in the last class. With the help of magic eraser, if you don't want something, suppose I don't want this ring, so just place your mouse here, just make the highlighting that one, and after that click on the apply option. Then it will take few seconds, and within that you can see that your ring has erased from here. After that, the next option is BG remover. With the help of this option, you can also remove your BG within a second. All these options are in one app that is known as Fotor. In place of this, you can erase the common person, you can erase the person also, as we did in the remove BG. If you want, then you can apply the shadow option, then the shadow will come in this picture. If I will click here, it has gone. Now I just click on the apply, then you can see the background has removed. Face tabler, same as AI enhance, AI skin retouch. Let me click on face. Unblur. If your face is blurred right now, at this time I have already make it enhance, but if your face is blurred right now, then with the help of face unblur, your face will be quite clear, as you can see that before and the after one. After that, AI skin retouch. If you have some pimples on your face and if you have some spot on your face, and with the help of this, you can make your face clear. But for this, you have to log in it with a Gmail ID, as I'm going to log in it here. After clicking on your Gmail ID, click on the continue option. Then you will come here, and this is with the help of this AI skin touch, you can make it quite better than before. After this, let's move to the next option. Next option is create with AI. You just type and it will create your image as you want. AI headshot means whatever your hairstyle will be, it will change the hairstyle in as per your choice. So first of all, this AI image generator, AI headshot, AI filters, all these options are quite clear. If you will choose your AI filters, then AI will make your image change as per your requirement. So just click on this AI filter. When you will click here on this AI filter, it will take the option that which one you want. You can choose as per your choice. Suppose I want this one. Click on this monet one. And it will take few seconds and it will generate this picture in the monet one as per your choice. So this is the AI generator which convert your picture into the anime. So just load it and then we will check what will be the result. So here it is the result that it has converted the picture in the monet one as I have chosen. Now after this, let's move forward. Many options are here: blur background, change background, AI background, text remover. If you have any text on your picture, then you can remove the text also. AI clothes changer, you can also change your dress with the help of this. Face cutout, the face will be cut and you can add here anything. AI hairstyle, AI will add any hairstyle with you. All options are very known and very common. So with the help of this option, you can change it easily. As I'm clicking on AI clothes changer. Here, many options are here: full outfit, bottom outfit, top outfit. Just choose anyone and just click on that. And then if you will click on the generate option, then the cloth will be changed of your picture. Remember, right now we are using the free version. If you will purchase it, then you will get more credits. Right now, I don't have any credits, so now I'm not going to do it. But if you want, then you can do this very easily. So I hope all the options are properly clear for you, because with the help of this, you can create many good things. This AI hairstyle is also very good. I used it many times. Just click on any picture. It will take few seconds, and within few seconds, it will change your hairstyle. So if you're using it first time, then definitely go with this and use all these options with help of the photo editing. Adjust option, same, BG remover, face and blur that I have told you. Effect, you can make the different types of effects like animations and American comic that I have told you. If you want to set a picture in the frame, then many frames are here. You can choose any type of frame, just click on that, and that frame will be added in your picture. Tags, if you want to type something on it, then you can type the tags. In the element, you can choose few stickers, some candies, and whatever you want that will be set here, and you can set it as per your choice. Suppose you are going to do the advertisement, and you can use it here. After this, apps, many apps are here. You can use these apps: AI sticker, AI generated logo, AI image generator. That I already told you that how to generate the image. Suppose I'm typing here a red t-shirt wearing dog. A dog is wearing like t-shirt, but I just type here randomly command. So let's see what it will be generate. So whatever you will type, it will generate 2 images, 3 images, it will 4 images. This is the ratio. The ratio you can take, and then you can just click on it and it will generate in few seconds. So like this, as I have already generated many pictures. As you can see here, these are the background which I have generated with the help of this photo. So you can just go with this and just try. I'm sure you just love this photo editor because this editor is really superb. Now you can see my image has generated the red t-shirts, right? So like this, you can also use it. I just want to put it here and I want to make it transparent. So this is a good idea. If I will click here, then the image will be transparent as per your requirement. Okay, so these editing you can understand. See, this is a good for editing. This is the image of the dog inside the curl. Now you can see it quite better. It is just overlay option. You can do like this also. Okay, like this, you can create any type of design. I hope you like this app and this software. Just go with that. If you have any confusion, then we will solve it. Just don't forget to share the comment. I will give you a reply. Okay then. Now see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.